right, here we are. December 20th, 2021. Ford F250. 1994 Ford F250. Man, I got this set up with my tripod. You wouldn't believe how hard it was to set this up. What we're looking at here is my power steering pump, my belt tensioner. All the way down here is my alternator. And I'm trying to figure out why this belt will not stay on this pump. Now, it looks like everything's lined up. I got a new pump, new idler pulley, new idler arm, the alternator, the air conditioning, the air pump, everything turns freely, works great. And I started it up and it wants to roll up on the pulley here. I'm not sure why it's coming off or what the problem is. I'm thinking it's the power steering, but I can't I don't know. So, starting. I can't see it in the air. So yeah, you can't even start it, and it rolled right up on there. I don't know if we're still in frame. Can I still see that? Yeah. So as soon as you start it up now, and as soon as you release the tension, it pops right back over. But I don't know, this pulley, this idler pulley is a little wiggly, and it's walking off there. Let's see if I can zoom. Did it once. Let's see if we can zoom in on that idler pulley and see. All right, starting it again. See? And it's jumping out off of the idler pulley. Maybe the idler pulley is the problem. And as soon as you release that, why would it walk off of that pulley anyways? All right, let's try it again. All right, still on. I'm so fucking pissed at this thing. And yeah, I guess it's the idler pulley, because it just keeps walking on the idler pulley. Let's see if we can. Yep, as soon as it's, and that's it, it's walking off the idler pulley. It's got to be that idler. Piece of junk. Advanced Auto Parts. I think that's where that came from. I didn't even get it that last time. Let me see. Let me show that again. It's a little violent. Yeah, I don't have to bump start it. Probably came off right there. Not off yet now. That's all she takes. Did I catch that? I don't know. It's got to be that idler pulley, maybe. See if I can set the camera up to get another. Okay, hopefully we're gonna. Here's the belt. This is. Here, let me see if I move this down a little bit more. Man, it's really hard to get this thing positioned so you can see. And it's dark down there. I don't have my. Okay, so here's the power steering pulley and the belt coming up over it. And of course, we got our tensioner right there. And here, down here, can I see? I don't see. I don't know if we can see it down there. There's the tensioner down there. We're going to try to watch the belt coming across there. I need more white marks on there so I can see that, but that's the belt. Let's see. Camera might fall in there and get ground up anyways. Let's see what's going to happen here. I'm sure that's enough to get it off of there. Yep, it sure was. It's got to be that idler pulley. It's just pushing it right off of there. See, it pops right back down in. It wants to ride in that groove on that pulley. It's got to be the pulley.